Hello, my name is Alex Maniatopoulos and I'm the founder and CEO of Yodiwo. Yodiwo is a cloud service provider for Internet of Things based on a unique platform which I'm going to present you today. The last 2 decades, we experienced the evolution of machine-to-machine through applications that offer the users the ability to control and monitor things remotely over wireless networks. Today, we are talking a lot about the revolution of Internet of Things, which by many people is considered the successor technology of M2M. Experts claim that in a couple of years from now, 9 out of 10 household devices will link to web. Many Tier 1 manufacturers have already announced the rollout of smart devices that are either controlled via a home hub or through the web or report their status to applications, like fridges, which warn their owners when the food inside is going off. A lot of smaller manufacturers have also launched specific purpose devices which serve new applications that power our lives today, and many others are in the queue. There is no doubt that connected home is one of the top IoT markets, since homes around the world are getting smarter and the number of connected devices is constantly increasing. Conservative projections show that connected home device shipments will grow at a compound annual rate of 67% over the next 5 years, which is much faster than smartphone or tablet device growth, and it will hit 1.8 billion units shipped in 2019. Connected home device sales will drive over 61 billion US dollars in revenue this year. That number will climb at a 52% compound annual growth rate, and it will reach 490 billion US dollars in 2019. As a successor of M2M, Internet of Things implies much more than controlling and monitoring things over wireless networks. We'd rather refer to this aggregate number of revolutionary technologies as Internet of Everything because it brings in the glue logic that connects things and applications via hubs and cloud servers. This can be easily understood through the example of the networking story described by our comic hero in this picture. It relates to a surveillance and monitoring system he has installed in his house that differs a lot from a typical security infrastructure. When motion is detected by a sensor in his house, a message is posted on Facebook by one of his contacts, which is called Lab Motion Detector, and a Skype video call is initiated by one of his Skype friends called Home. By answering the video call, he gets image from one of his cameras installed in the lab of his house, and then he types a command on Skype editor in order to get pictures from another camera. Since he cannot see anybody moving in his house, he checks where the dog is, and obviously that is based on the information he gets over the cloud from a location tag that his dog is carrying. If we consider how many things and applications have been mentioned in that story, we will realize that connecting them through logic is not a straightforward and easy task. In order to implement a system like the one we just described based on today's platforms, it would take at least 5 months. If we wanted to make it available for many users in parallel, scalability would be challenging. Also, we would most probably need to make each one of the things involved in that story able to communicate with the cloud, and that might require additional cost for hardware infrastructure. I'm going to show you now how with Yodiwo platform it takes 1 day instead of 5 months to implement and verify an application like the one we examine in the current presentation. Cyan is the first web editor for the cloud of Internet of Things that abstracts the concept of devices and applications. Networking devices like sensors, labs, cameras, and others that are paired with user's account are listed on the left. They can be dragged and dropped in the editor's area and then connected with existing apps through ready-made or new logic. When the graph is executed, the cloud server and the involved devices are configured appropriately. The deployment of the graph results in getting a message on Skype when motion is detected. We then probed our Skype contact to set up a video call, and the message we sent also turns on the lab for a while. When we answer the incoming video call, we start monitoring the area of the lab. We can then type a message on Skype in order to switch cameras and monitor more areas, and every time we send a message, the lab is lighting. One of the main problems that cloud platforms for Internet of Things have to deal with is communication barriers. We believe that a universal interconnection system for applications and things which overcomes their incompatibilities is possible when a distributed cloud platform is used. Such a platform is formed by cloud servers interoperating with hubs that are located in the local area networks where things reside. Hubs become the local clouds and offload the cloud servers whenever that is possible. The Cyan editor is based on those principles and compiles graphs which incorporate things and applications by splitting the total interconnection story into two sets of functions. The first set consists of commands that are transferred to the local cloud in order to serve the communication requirements between things that are collocated with the hub in the same LAN. The second set of functions includes the complex logic and serves the communication with third-party services. Yodiwo provides the software package that we call MyCloud that can run almost on every computing device of a LAN to make it a hub and to make it a local cloud as we described before. The software that we call MyCloud is available for devices like Raspberry Pi, IMX platform, Arduino, OpenWRT routers, mobile phones, or even Linux and Windows PCs. The device which runs the MyCloud software becomes the gateway to the cloud for other networking devices that are not cloud capable and are in the same LAN. We work with manufacturers of network devices and we provide design services to make them Yodiwo Cloud enabled by integrating our API. We have a device connectivity group with more than 2 decades of experience on wireless and wired embedded systems, which can provide economical solutions even for demanding applications. Due to our ability to bridge our platform with existing applications that power the life of many users, we improve their experience by giving them the chance to talk to their things simply over social networks or over communication applications they already run on their mobile devices and personal computers. Based on a multi-skilled team, we provide a full range of services driven by our customers' business needs. We become the one-stop shop for business process as a service, and we deliver turnkey solutions. Yodiwo is not just another Internet of Things cloud service provider. We support manufacturers with their hardware and software designs in order to meet their original specification requirements. Based on our unique platform, we dramatically reduce the development time of the cloud interconnection algorithms that implement our customers' business processes. We create users' applications to check and control things over smartphones. We develop web-based applications for enterprises, and we interconnect cloud solutions with existing software-as-a-service solutions. Yodiwo technology that interconnects devices with users' favorite communication applications unveils unlimited opportunities in areas like retail, intercommunication systems, surveillance, promotion, electronic surveys, and others. We founded Yodiwo in December 2014 after a management buyout of Samsung Nanoradio Design Center. The founding team consists of veterans in wireless infrastructure and connectivity market segments. The whole team today counts approximately 20 people, with most of them working together the last 10 years. We have offices in Sweden, Greece and Cyprus, and sales rep in Europe and the States. Case studies and examples of projects that have successfully been running by our team and which cover a wide range of applications that need cloud infrastructure are illustrated in this picture. In the retail segment, for instance, we support applications for smart shopping based on location data that are processed by algorithms running on cloud servers. In another case, photos from goods on the shelves of a supermarket or in fridges are sent to the cloud servers where image processing algorithms recognize the items and provide planogram compliance reports. Also, a system that provides data for further analysis regarding client behavior by tracking their movement in a mall is under development based on Yodiwo platform. Last but not least, a coffee machine control system over cloud with unique monitoring and control features is just a typical example of how household devices become part of the home and office automation ecosystem. We work and we are also seeking for collaboration with connectivity, silicon and module suppliers in order to integrate our API with their systems. We are also working with IoT gateway providers in order to support MyCloud on their platforms. Our customers' network includes manufacturers of smart things in order to make them Yodiwo enabled, and companies that require process automation over cloud. If you want to know more about our company, please visit our website www.yodiwo.com or drop us an email. Thank you very much for your attention.